Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to talk a little bit about the current market condition and I will answer all your questions too, which you may have right now. But more of that, what's really important is that why such huge crash happened in the market. And second more important thing is you guys are not even following the real guys. And that's the sad part, okay? The fact is at the end of the day, if you are an investor or you are still holding your coins, somehow you are going to make it if you don't sell. Uh, we will go on the charts and talk about that. But why don't you look at the chart if you are panic? This is the video for the one who are in panic right now or who just want to learn something from this move. Okay? These two guys will be the most important viewers of this, and that's it. Okay. So, right now, the condition in the market is really panic, right? Everyone just want to sell their coin, get out of this crypto bullshit and everything. I have been seeing a lot of comment on a lot of big influencer comment or big influencer YouTube video that they are just talking shit about, oh, we are done this and that, we are down this much, we are about to get liquidated, and all these things. But sadly, it is just because you were not ready for this. And in fact, still, I believe if I go and do it one thing, uh, calm down, we are going to make all time highs again every time. No matter whenever we are when we have to be bearish, when we have to be bullish, or anything like that, I will get more views. Okay, if I go according to your sentiment or the average viewer sentiment, what you wanted to see, oh, bullish stuff, you will get views. I don't need charts, I don't need to show them data, I don't need to tell them the reason, I don't need to tell them anything. I will get the views, right? But that's why most of the people here are not ready, okay? And that's why your emotion just keep getting changed up and down like a roller coaster. What happened is you really don't know what is the reason behind everything, what could be the next move, and what would be the reason behind that. Okay, you have to always be ready and appreciate the people who are telling you the realistic thing which is needed. Okay, especially for the market. So, anyways, I will start off with the analysis. Okay, what I just told you, most of you will not even understand this, but all I wanted to say is appreciate the people who are telling you the actual thing when it's required, and just don't go and start following random people talking shit about the market, always being bullish and all these things. Okay, because see, if they are bullish, it's good. At the end of the day, we are going to be bullish. But what I mean to say is appreciate the people who are telling you where to buy, when, and everything when they are showing data. Just don't go on the words of the people. Okay, now let's go over the chart. Okay, why we now start off with Bitcoin. Okay, so Bitcoin has nothing. Like Bitcoin still gets zero effect on the market. Because why? It is still ranging here, right? This is a complete range and it's still ranging. Okay, and if I look the this, I guess here we are at the value area low. Okay, so Bitcoin has zero effect on the current dump. Like it's just a range, even though if we dump 15%, that's nothing because we are just in the range. On the another hand, look at Ethereum. It just made new yearly low, or you can say it swept the 2024 yearly low almost. Right? I think this was the low, and we have swept this one. Really interesting, right? The main reason being that is very simple. Just because the Bitcoin dominance pumped massively, to this area, and that's the reason why all the alts dumb crazy with Bitcoin just being in the range, right? So now what? Okay, so we'll talk about this. So we'll start off with USDT dominance. Okay, so I was pretty sure that we may now. If you don't know what is USDT dominance, it's just the inversely correlated pair to crypto or just Bitcoin. Okay, so if you go on my Twitter, uh, okay, I have talked about this on 13th of January. Okay, 13, 13, 13, 18, 13. Okay, when we were like bearish or bullish, whatever you want to just say. Okay, so I call here that okay, we can just sweep this high and then go lower. We A lot of people ignore this. That's fine, but here you can see now we are sitting at this area, and if we have the structure confirmation, we may start dropping it too, which is good. Okay, so now all I wanted to see is we are at a buying zone, so obviously we will buy it. And let's go on total 3, which is the most important chart for us right now. Okay, this one. Okay, so here if you see what where we are currently right now is at this weekly order block and fair value gap, which is in demand zone, right? So it's a buying spot. It's a weekly fair value gap unicorn. Everything is aligned together. I think if we use the fibs, we may also have uh, 0.618 here. Yes, we have tabbed this 0.618. You can just check here. Okay. So yes, we have all these things aligned together, which is bullish for our coin. And then we can just continue higher from here. Okay. And Ethereum is very good. I mean, why you have to speak something bad about this when the whole government is buying? Let me show you that. Okay. The big reason of me not selling this coin is the not just the fact that it will go up, it's because if the big institutions are not even selling, why would I? They are just buying and you are selling. Come on, you are selling to them or what? Right? So here you can see they are holding $167 million worth of Ethereum and $60 million worth of Bitcoin. They are holding another type of Ethereum too. Like they are holding over a lot of crypto, right? It's over $300 million worth of value right now. All right, so it's good. And here we are at the support area right now. Let's make it real. Okay, so this is a zone to buy, not to sell. Okay, if there was a zone to sell the coins, if you really wish, it was here, not here. Okay, Solana is still holding like a great boy, right? You can see here, and if we hold this support, we are good. Okay, our AVEX nothing to do with, but yes, Aave is a very good coin, technically and fundamentally both. Holding this weekly fair value gap, everything is good here. Okay, every coins is good here. Now talking about the Rio, okay, maybe if you will get an entry, buy this in the monthly fair value gap. I think even if we have the IRL to ERL play after daily structure, you can easily see a 6x on this. Okay, saying that it's a good project fundamentally, and even your favorite crypto proof president Donald Trump is holding this coin. Okay, IO is a bullshit at this moment. Okay, Fed is one of the most bullish coin of the past bear market. Nothing, and our favorite coin NPCS is holding way better and still has zero effect on this dump. Woo, as I told you on Twitter, that where it is. Yes, on 25th of January, that we may see this low getting swept and then it can just go higher. Okay, and that's what generally happened. Okay, it just swept this low. Now, if we have the daily structure, right, if we flip the supply zone, it is going to continue its trend. Very simple chart. Okay, and then Tau, no doubt it's the time to buy. I just bought here. on 286, and it's above my entry right now, which is good. And yes, everything is good if you just look at right now, but everything was not good uh, on what time? Wait, let me just show you. Total 3, right? And this is not the first time I told you that until we don't see the supply, we may go lower. I have already talked this about this, okay? And let me just show you that, okay? So here is the my Telegram. I have already cautioned you about this weak reaction. Now we need to wait for the supply to flip. Until we don't flip this, we are not going higher. And see, that's where the top was formed, right? So this is what it is. It was a very clean price action on the higher time frame, okay? And saying that, all you have to do right now is wait, just buy the coins if you have money left, and just go ahead and stop appreciating the people or just randomly following the people with 1 million follower and X or anywhere else, saying that, oh, they are just because they have more followers, they are smarter than the less followers guys. No, okay, they are just getting shield or paid by the market makers to play with your emotions. Right now everything looking decent to me. I have no reason to sell. The only reason to sell was at is higher price, okay? But obviously we don't sell lower. You will, it's literally looking good, okay? And let me have a look at render. Come on, it's a time to buy, okay? So simply just go and buy the coins on my name this time. Okay, I'm telling you, go and buy, and I'll see you in the upcoming months, okay? Just buy and that's it. And yes, that's it. I have a lot of things to talk, but I will not just talk this on public. I'll keep that to myself and wish you all the best and just keep accumulating, nothing to worry about, okay? Cheers. And I have showed you the reason. Not everyone is going to tell you why we should buy right now. Just because the oil season will come and Trump is buying, just buy. Bro, look at the chart and tell. And I mean, you need to know the reason for buying, right? So I told you all the reason why you should buy and why we had the dump. Everything was almost called by me and some other small influences too. So yes, that's it. And have a good day. Buy right now, sell higher, make money easy. Do trade if you have the opportunity. Shift market, you have forex, you have indices to trade as well. You can always make money if you have the right skill. Have a good day. Cheers. If you're still watching, I hope you are. If you're not a shit, and if you're a good guy, thank you so much. Make sure you like and subscribe. And whatever you thought of this video or anything I should work on, drop that in that comment. Okay, have a good day.